to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how I highlight and contour my face. So to highlight and contour my face, I use two shades of concealer, lighter and darker one, and Sacha powder to set my highlight. And to start with, I'm going to use the lighter shade of concealer on my cheeks, and my nose, on my forehead, my cubicles, and around the chin. This is how I highlight my face. Guys, if you hear my voice, it's kind of different because I have a cold. Just bear with me. Yes, after that, after I have put concealer on the areas I want to highlight, I will take a beauty blender, then blend that in. I find it's easy to blend in with a beauty blender, it's easier. Yeah, you can see how that concealer is blended in. On how light your concealer is depends on how you want it, but don't let it be so light. And then for contouring, I'm contouring under my cheeks. There. Don't use a very dark concealer. I'm working on finding a lighter shade to the one I'm using because I've seen that I think it's too dark for me. So where you contour under your cheeks, on your chin, on your jawline, then on your hairline, so that you don't look like you've worn a mask. And the lighter shade that I've put under my contour is just to define that contour. You can skip that step, it's not necessary. Then here I'm setting my highlight with Sacha powder. I love this process. I love this powder. Now I'm going to blend in that contour with my contour brush. As you can see, I'm only blending the contour, leaving that highlight aside so that I'll blend it on its own to define my contour. I was loving the results here. Don't forget the contour on your jawline. And on your hairline, blend it. Then now, after your setting powder have set for a while, now you can dust off the extra powder that's on your highlights. Now to contouring my nose. Now I'm just blending that contour on my nose. We're done, guys, and that's how you contour and highlight your face. That's how I contour and highlight my face. I'm really having fun. If you have been watching my video, you will notice that I always add highlights on my nose just to enhance that highlights. That is what I'm doing right now. Guys, that is it. That's how I highlight and contour my face. Thank you for watching, guys. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so each time I post you are notified of my video and you become part of our family. Sherry Makeup. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you next time on my next video.